Morning, YouTube. Full of sawdust already. Put a window in yesterday temporarily just to plug a hole. I took it back out this morning, got to finish framing it in, and we got to get our paper on it. So there you have it. All right, let's get busy. Got one piece out.
What is this? I hope this is not the color. You see this? This is cranberry. This is not the color that we ordered.
None of the, only one color that we ordered is here. The other one's not the color we ordered either.
Oh.
But if you've ever dealt with MENARDS, yep, that's where we bought the stuff from. If you've ever dealt with them, you're better off just keeping what you got. You may never see what you want, unfortunately. That's our roof color.
Okay.
That's called a midnight gray. Now, let's see if we can get one of these bad boys out of here. To me, they all look exactly the same. I don't understand this. Oh, that's a little lighter.
Oh, there you go.
This is a charcoal gray, and this we did order, the charcoal gray. This color roof, that color walls. But this was supposed to be black, so I wanted to put a black roof, kind of a medium gray walls, and then on the walls I want to put black corners, and on the roof I wanted to put this medium gray, but that's not what we got. Bang on, 87 1/4. $87 1/8. That's my quarter right there. God. Ready?
Yep.
Gable end rake. We don't do metal, don't know metal, but here we go. I don't know all the fancy cuts and stuff, if there's a way to get over this. If I've done it right, I don't know. I just don't know. So, we'll do what we can. I know it'll look okay. Maybe not the greatest, but it'll look okay.
It's something new we've never done before. We will gladly admit that.
And this is our first building like this. We plan on doing another one, so that any, and I mean any, advice that you people have, please send it our way. We were looking at R&R construction or metal. He's pretty good, and it looks like he uses a lot of this stuff, but we just didn't find a whole lot on this stuff on it. We like his videos. R&R buildings, I think. He seems like a real knowledgeable guy when it comes to this stuff and layout and all of that stuff. He knows all of his cuts, and well, it seems that way. I don't know enough to tell you whether he does or not.
Yeah.
And I'm staying away from the two ends. This is just to hold it.
Yep. Okay. I think it looks good. This is for our first building. This looks good. Whoop.
Screw down.
Got it.
Lost my bullet. You can tell we're professionals. I'm standing on top of the ladder.
It's not like he doesn't have another ladder right next to him. Or scaffolding right around the corner.
It's good and solid. I mean, it does definitely need it. You don't want the wind getting under there and
Oh.
doing that kind of thing. But no, I'm not going to do that piece until I do that piece, because I don't know what we have material-wise left.
Okay.
If we don't have enough of that, it's not going to get done. You can buy a metal building, a complete metal building, a whole lot cheaper than building one. And I mean buy like a prefab. I'm not going to, I'll say general steel, but not necessarily general steel. I think you can get like a 12 by 20 for $3,500 with a door and a window. But who knows? Anyway, that first piece is on. I'll see about getting something in there after I get the ridge. I got to get the top first. I don't know how much steel we got left.
morning, Dave. What's going on?
Oh, not a whole bunch. Just getting ready to do a little bit more work on the shed today. Get set up and hopefully get the ridge cap on. It's only 2 pieces, but get the ladder out, crawl up there, and put down my little foam strips and keep the bugs out. And then put our ridge cap up. See what we can get done.
Huh?
It's up.
Yay! Woo, woo, woo!
That's exactly how I feel.
You did it!